Si se nota muy sequillo, se le puede ir echando agua. Clay that we've harvested from up in the hill. We have some like straw. We're adding a little bit of cement and lime powder because here it's so wet. That kind of helps with the drying.
What am I doing?
Yeah.
Using a classic Wattle and Daub mix of clay, sand, straw, cement, and lime to make a super hard base layer wall for this chicken coop that can last up to 40 years.
Two cavemen creating the ultimate dream house.
So in this chicken coop, we got clay that we harvested from the land and bamboo harvested from clumps on the land, turned into bamboo mats or esterillas put on the walls of this structure that's made mostly from old fallen fruit trees. So now we've got a nice secure space for the chickens, and we're adding these cob walls with lots of different safety measures, net and rocks going underground so that animals like big cats, ocelots can't get in this coop and get to our sweet baby chucks.
Because we want to kill them ourselves.
Now we're gonna make another mixture and show you exactly what the process is. Starting with a bunch of clay fresh from the hill about 300 meters away from us. So next we're adding cemento hidráulico de general, so just general use cement powder. What's this next material?
Lime powder.
So one part of this into the mix.
We are baking a giant cake here.
Next is one part of this sandy soil.
But here there's like sand that we need to
Shorter pieces than the littler pieces. We got hay here.
Final ingredient is this chopped straw to thicken and dry up this mixture to make for strong Wattle and Daub walls.
Classic Coop and glue. That's what I call this technique. Coop and glue. Used for centuries among earthen builders and bioconstructors. Coop and screw.
Now here we are, and after about 2 days of making that mix and lathering on this cob, we've got ourselves a complete, safe and secure chicken coop.
Das ist gut, nein?